how to take 8K or UHD video recording on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then launch the camera app. Next, we tap on the video tab at the bottom. And to change your video recording to 8K or UHD, you can tap on the control button here, and then we swipe across and we select the video size button. So tap on this button here, and you can choose 8K video, and then tap on the record button. So focus on the subject and then start recording. Now we are recording 8K video. If you want to select 4K video or UHD, we can change it to UHD. With UHD, you can choose 60 or 30 FPS. Now another way to change the video size is by going to the top here and tap on that. That will also allow you to change the video size to 8K or UHD. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.